This tiny brown beetle might be hiding in your house right now, and it's hungrier than you think. Known as the drugstore beetle, or Stegobium paniceum, it's a tiny insect only 2 to 3 millimeters long. But don't let its size fool you. This beetle can chew through almost anything. Books, bread, pasta, spices, and even leather. If it's hungry enough, it can even bite through plastic or foil packaging. They're notorious pantry pests, sneaking into sealed food containers and leaving behind tiny holes and a big mess. Originally from warm climates, they've spread all over the world and thrive anywhere. They can find dry food to snack on, from kitchen cupboards to old book collections. So if you ever see tiny holes in your cereal box or spice packets, you might have a drugstore beetle problem. Ever spotted one of these in your kitchen? Comment yes if you have.